In this video, I want to talk about how you can use the strategy tester inside of TradingView. Now, to use this, what you need to do is open up the strategy tester down here. And if you don't see it, just grab this light gray one and pull it up and down. Then you need to load a strategy. This can be your own or it can be other strategies. So click load your strategy and then select the strategy. Now, just select whichever one you want to do. So let's say I'm going to use this one, and it will now load up. Now from in here, you will be able to see the profitable trades and everything and the total trades within your time frame here. And you can select others if you want to. So you can select this one and you will see how it has performed. Now, if you go to performance, you will see the entire performance and you will also be able to see where the trades happened. So this is how you can do it, guys. It's pretty simple once you understand how it works, and that's about it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.